Hi friends, welcome to all. In this video we are going to see the packet tracer activity connecting a wired and wireless. First of all, we will go through the objectives of this packet tracer activity. In part 1 we will connect to the cloud, then we will connect to router 0, then connect remaining devices, then we will verify connections, and in part 5 finally we will examine the physical topology. Also, we will go through this background. When working in packet tracer, a lab environment or a corporate setting, you should know how to select the appropriate cable and how to properly connect devices. Exactly. So this activity will examine device configurations in packet tracer, selecting the proper cable based on the configuration and connecting the devices. And this activity will also explore the physical view of the network in packet tracer. Now we will come to part 1, connect to the cloud. Connect to the cloud to router 0. At the bottom left, click the orange lightning icon to open the available connections. Yes, here we can see that. Alright. Choose the correct cable to connect router 0, fast Ethernet 0/0 to cloud Ethernet 6. Cloud is a type of switch, so use a copper straight through connection. If you attach the correct cable, the link lights on the cable turn green. Right, we will do this now. Now we are coming to the connection, and here we can see the different connections. Here we are going to use copper straight through. We are going to click on that. Now coming to router 0, we are going to select fast Ethernet 0/0 and to the cloud Ethernet 6. Yes, here we can see this cable is now turned green. Now we will come to step 2, connect the cloud to cable modem. Choose the correct cable to connect cloud coaxial 7 to modem port 0. If you attach the correct cable, the link lights on the cable turn green. Right, we will do this connection now. Now we are going to connect from this cloud to cable modem, and here on this cloud we are going to connect to coax 7. We are going to, yes, here is our coaxial connection. We are going to click that. Coming to cloud, coaxial 7 to cable modem port 0. Yes, now we can see this connection turn green. Now we will come to part 2, connect router 0. In that step 1, connect router 0 to router 1. Choose the correct cable to connect router 0 serial 0/0/0 to router 1 serial 0/0. Use one of the available serial cables. If you attach to the correct cable, the link lights on the cable turn green. Right, we will do this connection now. Here I am going to select serial DCE connection. Coming to router 0, here we are going to connect to serial 0/0/0 to router 1. We are going to connect to serial 0/0. Yes. Next is step 2, connect router 0 to netaka.pka. Yes, so here is our router 0. We are going to connect from this device to netaka.pka. Right. Choose the correct cable to connect router 0 fast Ethernet 0/1 interface to netaka.pka fast Ethernet 0 interface. Right. Routers and computers traditionally use the same wires to transmit 1 and 2 and receive 3 and 6. The correct cable to choose consists of these crossed wires. Although many NICs can now autosense which pair is used to transmit and receive, router 0 and netaka.pka do not have autosensing NICs. So we must select this crossover cable from the connections. Right. If you attach to the correct cable, the link lights on the cable turn green. We will come to the connection now. Coming to the connection, here we are going to select a copper crossover cable, and coming to router 0, here we are going to connect to fast Ethernet 0/1 to this netcat.pka server fast Ethernet 0. Right, now we will come to step 3. Connect router 0 to the configuration terminal. Yes, so we are going to connect to this configuration terminal. Right, choose the correct cable to connect router 0 console to configuration terminal RS232. Yes, so this is only for doing the basic configurations of any devices. So this cable does not provide network access exactly to configuration terminal, but allows you to configure router 0 through its terminal. Yes, this is only for configuring router 0 device. So if you attach to the correct cable, the link lights on the cable turn black. Right, we will come to this connection now. We will come to the connection. Here we will search for the console. Yes, here it is, console. Here I am going to connect to this configuration terminal. We have RS232, and on router 0 we are going to connect to the console. Yes, here we can see now it's turned black. Now we will come to part 3, connect remaining devices. In that step 1, connect router 1 to switch. Choose the correct cable to connect router 1 fast Ethernet 1/0 to switch fast Ethernet 0/1. If you attach the correct cable, the link lights on the cable turn green. Allow a few seconds for the light to transition from amber to green. So maybe a couple of seconds it will be in amber, then it will turn to green. Right, we will do this connection now. Coming to the connection, here we are going to select yes fiber. Coming to router 1, here we are going to select fast Ethernet 1/0. Coming to switch, we are going to select fast Ethernet 0/1. Right, so we have to wait for a few seconds so that this amber will turn to green. Here we can see that. Yes. Yes, now we can see it turned to green. Now we will come to step 2, connect cable modem to wireless router. Choose the correct cable to connect modem port 1 to wireless router internet port. If you attach the correct cable, the link lights on the cable will turn green. Coming to the connection, here we are going to use copper straight through cable. Coming to cable modem, we are going to connect to port 1, and on wireless router internet, here we are going to connect to internet. Right, now we will come to step 3, connect wireless router to family PC. Yes, here we can see that family PC. Okay, choose the correct cable to connect wireless router Ethernet 1 to family PC. If you attach the correct cable, the link lights on the cable turn green. Coming to the connection, we are going to select copper straight through cable on wireless router. Yes, here we are going to select Ethernet 1 to this family PC fast Ethernet 0. Yes. Right, now we will come to part 4, verify connections. In that step 1, test the connections from family PC to netcat.pka. Open the family PC command prompt and ping netcat.pka. Open the web browser and the web address http://netcat.pka. Alright, we will verify this now. Coming to family PC, desktop command prompt, here we are going to ping. Right, we are going to give the command ping. We are going to give the name netcat.pka. Yes, we are getting the reply. Now we will go to the web browser here, and here we are going to give the URL Informatika.pka. Yes, we are getting the website. Now we will come to step 2. Ping the switch from home PC. Open the home PC command prompt and ping the switch IP address of to verify the connection. Right. So we have to get the IP address of switch. We will come to the addressing table, and here we can see the IP address of switch. Yes, here it is. I am going to copy that. Right, now we will come to home PC command prompt, and now we are going to ping to that. Switch IP address is here. Yes, we are waiting for the reply. Request timed out. Request timed out. Yes, so we got here reply, 2 reply we got, and 2 request timed out. Anyway, we are going to try once more so that we will get 100% success. Yes. Now we will come to step 3. Open router 0 from configuration terminal. Open the terminal of configuration terminal and accept the default settings. Press enter to view the router 0 command prompt. Type show IP interface brief to view interface status. Right. We will do this now. We will come to configuration terminal. To go to desktop, here we are going to select a terminal. Okay, yes, now we are in router 0. We'll go to enable show IP interface brief, and here we can see the details, the interface details of router 0. Now we will come to part 5. Examine the physical topology. That step 1, examine the cloud. Click the physical workspace tab or press shift plus P and shift plus L to toggle between the logical and physical workspaces. Click the home city icon. Click the cloud icon. How many wires are connected to the switch in the blue rack? Right, we will verify that. Now we will come to physical workspace. So now we are in a logical workspace, so we are going to click here. Yes, we are now in physical workspace. You have to click on this home city, and here we can see the cloud icon. We are going to click on that. Yes, here we can see the blue rack, and 2 cables, 2 wires are connected to this blue rack. And next is click back to return to home city. Okay, here we are going to click back, again back. Right, now we will come to step 2. Examine the primary network. Click the primary network icon. Hold the mouse pointer over the various cables. What is located on the table to the right of the blue rack? Click back to return to home city. Right. Okay, we are going to click on home city, and here is a primary network. Yes, here we can see. Okay, number of cables here we can see. Right, here we can see, and here also we can see. Yes, so here is our blue rack. We are coming to the right side of this blue rack. Yes, here we can see configuration terminal. Yes, now we will come back. Now we will come to step 3. Examine the secondary network. Click the secondary network icon. Hold the mouse pointer over the various cables. Why are there 2 orange cables connected to each device? Click back to return to home city. Alright, coming to home city, secondary network. Here we can see the connections. Right. Okay, yes, here we can see the fiber. Yes, so obviously here we can see 2 connections. Fiber cable comes in pairs, one for transmit and the other for receive. Now we will come to step 4. Examine the home network. Why is there an oval mesh covering the home network? Yes, here we can see that oval mesh covering. So it represents the range of the wireless network. Now we will come to B. Click the home network icon. Why is there no rack to hold the equipment? Right, here is our home network. I am going to click on that, and here we cannot see any rack to hold the equipment. So it's obviously for a home network, typically you do not have any racks. And finally, click the logical workspace tab to return to the logical topology. Okay, here we are going to click yes. Yes, we completed this packet tracer activity. Here we can see completion status 80 out of 80. Dear friends, if you have any doubt, please comment below. Also, if you like my videos, give a thumb, and don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you will get latest uploading video info into your Gmail. Thank you.